Struggling with slow, error-prone field data collection? With MAPOG, you can collect on-ground data accurately using a mobile data collection app. Start by heading to story.mapog.com and select Surveys, and you'll be directed to the mobile data collection dashboard. Then press Create New. Add project title and description and other basic details like duration, survey frequency. You can select additional settings like allowing users to add locations, etc. Next, go to Location Type and create a custom location type. Give it a title, choose a color, select geometry as point, and add attributes like customer name, address, and more. Then select the location type from drop-down and click on Save. Then add your survey questions one by one by clicking on the Add Question option. For example, have you heard of or used our products before? You can add different answer types like select, multi-select, etc. and put options like yes, no. Now in step 3, upload your customer locations using Add New Location by uploading CSV, Excel, and match each column with your attributes and coordinates. Your data instantly appears on the map. Add new users for the task using the Add User option. Add members by adding email address, choose role as admin or other, press Add. Invite members using the Select Member option. Then allocate areas to each team member by using the Map option. You can draw polygons for each area. Optionally, you can use the Filter option to assign users. You can then launch the survey anytime with the triangular Start Survey button in the right corner. Field users can then open the MAPOG Contributor app, view their assigned locations, and also add new locations, using the Add Location button and fill their title or description and optionally add images for clarity. Next, they can fill out the surveys and submit or save drafts. On your dashboard, you can track progress, see completed and pending surveys, and filter data by user or status. MAPOG gives you a complete real-time view of your field operations and data simple, accurate, and efficient. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.